Visual English. Set 4. 1. Learn. Fast food.
Hamburger. Hamburger. I like hamburgers. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. And you like cheeseburgers. French fries. French fries. But he likes French fries. Fajitas. Fajitas. She likes fajitas. Hot dog. Hot dog. They really like hot dogs. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets. I want chicken nuggets. Chips. Chips. They want chips. Ketchup. Ketchup. Fries with ketchup. Mustard. Mustard. Hot dog with mustard. Coke. Coke. I want Coke, please. Ice. Ice. He wants ice. Iced tea. Iced tea. And she wants iced tea. Milkshake. Milkshake. But they want milkshake. Ice cream. Ice cream. We want ice cream, please.
Number 2. Review with image first.
What is this?
Hamburger.
What is this?
Cheeseburger.
What are these?
French fries.
What are these?
Fajitas.
What is this?
Hot dog.
What are these?
Chicken nuggets.
What are these?
Chips.
What is this?
Ketchup.
What is this?
Mustard.
What is this?
Coke.
What is this?
Ice.
What is this?
Iced tea.
What is this?
Milkshake.
What's this?
Ice cream.
Now, let's review with the word first.
What is a hamburger?
This is a hamburger.
What is a cheeseburger?
This is a cheeseburger.
What are French fries?
These are French fries.
What are fajitas?
These are fajitas.
What is a hot dog?
This is a hot dog.
What are chicken nuggets?
These are chicken nuggets.
What are chips?
These are chips.
What is ketchup?
This is ketchup.
What is mustard?
This is mustard.
What is Coke?
This is Coke.
What is ice?
This is ice.
What is iced tea?
This is iced tea.
What is milkshake?
This is milkshake.
What is ice cream?
This is ice cream.
Number 4. Test.
Hey, please remember? What is a hamburger? Hamburger. What is a cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. What are French fries? French fries. What are fajitas? Fajitas. What is a hot dog? Hot dog. What are chicken nuggets? Chicken nuggets. What are chips? Chips. What is ketchup? Ketchup. What is mustard? Mustard. What is Coke? Coke. What is ice? Ice. What is iced tea? Iced tea. What is milkshake? Milkshake. What is ice cream? Ice cream. You did it!
Quer aprender inglês mais rápido? Inglês simplificado. Link na descrição.
Bye!